I'm sorry, students, I've been running. That's why I'm panting. To pant, a verb. A pant, or pants, a noun. Yeah. Let's see, to pant. This is you quick breaths through your mouth, normally because you've been running or doing something energetic. So he ran up the hill and arrived panting at the top. Yeah, quickly, we're going to miss the train. He panted. Yeah, it's to say something. Come on, quickly, do it. Yeah, to pant. Okay. Okay. So panting, breathing with short, sharp breaths because you're exerting, or maybe because you're excited as well. Yeah. I guess you could use this to go somewhere panting. Yeah, to go somewhere. He panted up the hill, for example. Okay, so yeah, if you pant, I think this is to do with your body producing carbon dioxide, and it makes you pant. Maybe a dog might pant in the heat. Yeah. I was panting with the effort. I was puffing, I was blowing, I was gasping. Yeah, okay. I was gasping for breath. I was panting. Notice you can also use this metaphorically. Yeah, I was panting for a glass of water. I really desired it. I've been panting for a day off, and finally tomorrow I'm going to have this day off. Yeah, so to desire something very strongly, I think that's pretty informal, to be panting for something. Yeah, he was panting for a glass of cold beer. Okay, now when you see this word, you're probably also thinking of pants. So pants are plural. I guess you could have a pant leg belonging to this idea of trousers. Or is it trousers, or is it underpants? Well, normally when the British say pants, they mean underpants, knickers. Whereas the Americans, when they say pants, they say trousers. So take off your pants in British is not the same as take off your pants in American. Okay, so just be careful of that one. But in this, I'm looking at this verb to pant, to take quick breaths because you're out of breath. Yeah, trying to catch your breath because you've been running. Yeah, now I'm imagining a dog with its tongue hanging out. Yeah, the dog was panting. I think dogs pant to keep cool because I think they don't sweat. Yeah, and then this figurative meaning, to be eager for, to long for, but I think that's pretty informal. Yeah, so the kids were, well, no, better than still, I'm panting for the kids to go back to school and maybe have a little bit more time to myself. Okay, so to pant. Formality, 5 informality, use anywhere. To pant for, 3 informality, very informal. And then pants, as in trousers or underpants, 5 informality, use absolutely anywhere as well. Okay, as to origin, comes from an old French word, pontoisier, to be breathless, to be out of breath. Yeah, ponteler in modern French, to gasp for breath. From Latin pantatio, to have difficulty breathing when you're having a nightmare. Yeah, from ancient Greek, phantasiou, to have hallucinations. From fantasia, an appearance, a fantasy. Okay, so that's actually where it comes from. I guess the pants. Okay, these come from pantaloons, yeah, which is an old word for trousers, yeah, so pantaloons. Anyway, enough. Yeah, you're panting for me to finish, I know it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To pant, pants.